It's very easy to make these kind of stud earrings. Come, let me show you. So basically, most of us have these kind of poppet things lying in our house. So here I have added a glitter star just at the center of it. Now in case if you do not have a poppet, try to find something where you can pour the hot glue in. So here I am pouring the white hot glue in that poppet hole, and then I will just put the back attaching stud inside. So the reason why I'm pushing it inside is so that the corner does not hurt me. And that's it. Once it's dried, carefully just push it from the opposite side of the poppet, and slowly it will release from that. And that's it. See how cute it looks, just with a star, a simple star in the center. You can just cut off the excess that is there around, and that's it. That's how cute it looks. Let me show you the galaxy type that I made also. So for this, these tiny bits that I have, the leftover or waste, you could say, hot glue parts, I have cut it into smaller pieces so that I can fit it through this hole. And then after, I'm going to take the long white color stick, the normal hot glue stick, transparent, translucent one, and then the same process, just pour it on the poppet thing. So yet I do not have the color that I want, it's still pinkish in color. So let me try another one. And there, yes, this is what color I wanted, a mix of pink and blue and a little goldenish. So there I have got that color, and I am going to put another bit in the other poppet as well. See that it is full like this, do not leave it halfway through. And then the back stud, you are going to press it in like this, not a big press, just a tiny press so that you get it around the earring stud. See there, and tiny bit of press. That's it. And this is how it actually looks. Cute, right? Glittery and very cute looking. So this is dried, so let me try and remove it and show it to you. So if you see, this has a little dull finish. So if you want, you can just add plain oil or Vaseline on it, or you can even use transparent nail polish. Wasn't that a simple DIY? Do let me know in the comments, how did you all enjoy this making? And if you are new out here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.